Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001. Today, let's dive into something truly exciting, the rebirth of an American classic. Yes, we're talking about the 2025 Ford F100. A legendary name that's making a bold return to the modern road. The F100 is back, and it's not just a retro name slapped on a body. This is a truck that's built to honor its heritage while embracing the future with stunning design, high-tech features, and powerful performance. The 2025 Ford F100 is inspired by the iconic models of the 60s and 70s, but it's been completely reimagined for today's truck lovers. At first glance, the F100 Reborn makes an impression with its square body lines, bold front fascia, and LED headlights that merge vintage cues with modern lighting technology. The classic horizontal grille, large Ford lettering, and sculpted hood bring back memories of the old-school workhorse, but this one's all new from the ground up. Under the hood, the 2025 F100 is expected to offer a variety of powertrains, including a fully electric option. Ford knows the market is shifting, and this truck isn't just relying on nostalgia. If reports are accurate, we might see a version powered by the same dual-motor setup used in the F150 Lightning, offering over 450 horsepower with instant-to-work and all-wheel drive. Whether you're using it for work or weekend fun, this truck is designed to handle it all. Inside the cabin, Ford keeps things rugged but refined. Expect high-quality materials, a digital gauge cluster, and a large infotainment screen with Sync 4. It's built for both comfort and utility, with modern connectivity like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and built-in Wi-Fi. Plus, Ford's advanced safety suite including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring makes it ready for the daily commute or long road trips. The bed is built tough, with a variety of features like built-in power outlets, tie-down points, and even a mobile workstation setup. Whether you're a tradesman, a weekend warrior, or just love trucks, the F100 delivers. It respects the past but doesn't get stuck in it. Ford's decision to revive the F100 is more than a marketing move. It's about reconnecting with truck enthusiasts who grew up with the name and want that same spirit in a modern package. It's also about giving new generations a chance to experience a name that helped build America's truck legacy. So, whether you're a classic truck fan or someone looking for the perfect mix of style and performance, the 2025 Ford F100 Reborn is something to get excited about. A tribute to history, a leap into the future, and everything a modern truck should be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting automotive updates. Let me know in the comments what you think about the return of the F100. Would you buy one? Thanks for watching Luxury Car 001, where the road to the future begins with Legends Reborn.